Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can fix GCash Internal Server Error. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now here are a few things that you can go ahead and do. So if you are having internal server error, here's some things that you can do. So what you can do is to switch on and off your airplane mode. So this will restart your network connection. So just go ahead and enable airplane mode right here. And then once again, turn it back on. So you'll reconnect to your Wi-Fi or it will reconnect to your network provider. And then go ahead and restart your phone and then open up GCash once again. Another thing that you can go ahead and do is to make sure that you are on the latest version of GCash. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our Play Store right here, and then we're gonna go and search for GCash. Now go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of GCash right here. So if you see something like this where the word open is update instead, then this means that you need to go ahead and update your GCash app. Now once that this has been updated, then you should be able to see something like open right here. But one more thing that you can go ahead and do is to clear your GCash cache. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to access our settings right here, go all the way down until we can go ahead and see apps right here. And then let's go ahead and tap on the top right to search for GCash right here. And then if it is currently running in the background, go ahead and click on force stop on the bottom right and then click OK. And then let's go ahead and go into our storage right here, and then we can go ahead and clear data on the bottom right or clear cache. So let's go ahead and clear the data, and then as you can see, this would have cleared your cache as well. Now go ahead and restart your phone once again, and then go ahead and try GCash once more. This would have solved your internal server error. Hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.